Hi, and welcome to our Grasshopper Part 1 training video. In Part 1, we'll focus on addition. In Part 2, we'll look at subtraction. The Grasshopper movement will involve a combination of a 10 pair and a 5 pair in a single movement. So let's take a look at what that might look like. In this example problem, we'll start with 5. Then we need to subtract 2. Well, I'll do that in the form of a 5 pair. Then I add 5 more. Then I need to add 6. Okay, well, I only have 1 bead available, so I'm going to use my 10 pair addition rule. Add 1 to the next rod left, and then I need to subtract 6's 10 pair 4 from my target rod here. Okay, to subtract 4, I'm going to need to do that in the form of a 5 pair because I only have 3 earthly beads touching the reckoning bar. So to subtract 4, I subtract 5 and add 4's 5 pair 1 for this interim sum of 14. So let's take a look at that again, where we have 8 and we want to add 6. Well, I don't have enough beads, so that's my 10 pair addition rule. Add 1 to the next rod left. And now to subtract 6's 10 pair 4, I have to do that in the form of a 5 pair by subtracting 5 and adding 1. And then finally add 9, that's a straight 10 pair. I add 1 and subtract 9's 10 pair 1 for a final answer of 23. Let's take a quick look at one more example. Here I have 5, and now I need to add 6. Okay, well, I don't have enough beads, so that's my 10 pair addition. I add 1 to the next rod left. Then I need to subtract 6's 10 pair 4 from 5. Well, I have to do that in the form of a 5 pair by subtracting 5 and adding 1. So you see, this grasshopper movement involves the use of a 5 pair to subtract the complement pair of the number we're adding. So we'll just quickly finish this off. We'll add 5, and then we're going to add 6 again. Wow, that looks pretty similar. Well, I only have 3 beads. It's not enough, so I use my 10 pair addition rule. Add 1 to the next rod left. Then I need to subtract 6's 10 pair 4. Well, I do that in the form of a 5 pair, subtracting 5 and adding 4's 5 pair 1. So we saw 2 grasshopper moves in a single problem there. And then finally add 3. Well, that's in the form of a 5 pair by adding 5 and subtracting 2. And there you go. So that's a quick introduction to our combined 5 and 10 pair movements we call Grasshopper. So I hope to see you in the next video.